Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will learn more about the case osastav. As you remember, the most important cases are first, esimene nimetav, second, teine omastav, and third, kolmas osastav. The case osastav answers the questions keda, whom, mida, what, mitu, how many. You should learn nouns, adjectives and numerals in the case 3 osastav, always by heart. Let's look at some nouns in the case osastav. Inimest, õpilast, arsti, õpetajat, tööd, aastat. As a rule, the words in this case end with T, D or a vowel. This case has several meanings. Let's take a look at some of them. The case osastav is always used with all numbers, except for one. When the case osastav is used with numbers, it answers the question, how many, mitu. Let's take the word theatre, teater. The first 3 cases of the word are the following. Teater, teatri, teatrit. Now we ask, how many theatres? Mitu teatrit? If we talk only about one theatre, then it remains in the case nimetav, üks teater. But with all other numbers, we use the case osastav. 3 theatres, kolm teatrit. 10 theatres, 10 teatrit. 100 theatres, 100 teatrit. 1,000,000 theatres, 1,000,000 teatrit. Don't try to put the noun following the number in the plural form. It stays in the singular form. When we say, need on inimesed, these are people, the noun is in the plural form. However, if there is a number in front of the noun, we need to put the noun in the case osastav, except for number 1. 5 inimest, 5 people. Need on arstid. These are doctors. But 6 arsti, 6 doctors. Minu naabrid, my neighbors. But 2 naabrit, 2 neighbors. Let's continue with the different uses of the case osastav. When your age is asked for, you also need the case osastav. Kui vana sa oled? How old are you? In singular. Mina olen 25 aastat vana. I am 25 years old. Kui vana te olete? How old are you? In plural. Ma olen 45 aastat vana. I am 45 years old. This case is also important because it is always used with a negative. Teatrit ei ole. There is no theatre. Ei ole aega. There is no time. Ei ole pastakat. There is no pen. One hand. Üks käsi. 2 hands, 2 kätt. Bye bye.